Hello and welcome to network security tutorial on TUF Gaming AX4200. Let's begin! So, I'm currently on the admin dashboard, and if you don't know how to get into it, you can always watch our first setup and create new network tutorials. Anyway, inside our setup, we don't want to go into network map, instead we want to head into something called A protection. And in here we can basically go with all kinds of security things. By default we have few tabs like network protection, malicious site blocking, in which you can basically create and add new sites that you want to block. And in that case we have whitelist to create and a nice log of protection. It can also enable two-way IPS, and we can prevent and block infected devices. What a beautiful skull icon. Anyway, what we probably want to do is simply head to network protection and just make sure that our A protection is enabled, and don't you worry, by default it should be enabled. Also, we have the ability to just scan our router and our whole network. We can click scan, and as you can see, this is a very scan. So default router login username password changed. We have that it's no, and our wireless password isn't very strong, and this is just because I have set it up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 because I'm just recording tutorials. And we also have two things like WPS is disabled and UPNP service is disabled, both of which we can find here, and we can just enable them if we want to. But technically speaking, you really shouldn't do anything. As user-friendly as ASUS is, this is probably the most bare-bones system that the most stupidest person even can use, by just simply making sure that this is enabled. There is no apply function. That's not good. Let's apply it once again, and let's make sure that we are blocking malicious sites, that we have two-way IPS enabled, and we have everything else enabled. However, luckily for us, we don't have to do it only for our settings on the admin dashboard only, because we can't forget about our mobile friends too, because they will be pretty sad. So, on our mobile, let's maybe wake up our phone and let's head into ASUS router. Now in here, we want to head into settings tab and simply head once again into A protection. And you will notice that we have basically the same things here, with the exception of having router security, and in here we can find the ability to change default username and password, with the UPNP service and web access and all of that. So we can go with here and we can make sure that it's enabled, for example. And also we have wireless security, so wireless password strength, which is currently pretty bad, and I always found it funny that there are a couple of buttons that just don't do anything. Wireless encryption, which also doesn't anything, and WPS, so it will prevent attackers from obtaining your keys via an intelligent brute force attack, which is pretty cool. And finally, file sharing security, which once again, I believe that by default, okay, this one is actually by default disabled, but everything else should be enabled, so there really isn't much for you to do here. But as always, you can just perform a nice scan, and security level is low, and this is probably because my very poor password strength and WPS here, and are my default username and passwords. But other than that, it's pretty cool. And what's really cool about the mobile version is that it will instantly tell you what exactly is wrong and how to fix that. So that's pretty cool. Though anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.